Now we are discussing in hospitality and food services business ideas. That is part 3 is gluten-free bakery. Just like a regular bakery only gluten-free. While a very small home bakery won't cost you that much. A larger commercial operation is not cheap. Luckily, you can often get the necessary equipment for a much better price. If you search for used commercial machines online, learn how to use blogging to increase awareness of your business and grow revenue. So likewise, gluten-free bakery means it is something difficult because generally in bakery shops, our flour, they are using the flour that is having wheat flour will be there. It is gluten will be there in that. Suppose if it is multigrain, gluten-free will be there. But gluten-free bakeries and bakeries means egg puffs and curry puffs and samosas, onion samosa and that is jawar samosa and all these are there. All these things you can start it with gluten free. You can put the board in your tea point or coffee point or snacks point, gluten free bakery. In bakery also you can do likewise. By that you can get very good income. It will be useful to so many people. Gluten free, no one is so many are interesting now how to start gluten free services, gluten free bakeries. So if you start that, it is a good lifestyle to you, and you will get very good income also. Wishing you all the best.